Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to download the Zoom app on your Android phone. It's a simple process that will help you join meetings and video calls anytime, anywhere. So let's get started. First of all, open the Google Play Store on your phone. It has a triangle-shaped colorful icon that is easy to recognize. You can find it either in your app drawer or on the home screen. Once it's open, tap on the source icon in the bottom right corner. Then, in the search bar at the top, type Zoom Workplace and tap Enter. Now, look for the official Zoom app. It has a blue icon with the word Zoom written on it. Once you find it, tap on it to open the app page. Next, tap the Install button. The download will begin and the installation process will take a few seconds depending on your internet speed. Once the installation is complete, tap Open to launch the Zoom app. You can sign up for a new account or log in if you already have one. Now, you are ready to start using Zoom for meetings, webinars, and video calls. And that's it. Now you know how to download the Zoom app on your Android phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.